Vincent, aho. He is Vincent.
And right today with from school, Kor Charlie, aho. He is Charlie.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rāpare, the 22nd of March.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is Whare Pukapuka, which is Te Reo for library.
And let's go to the library, to the Whare Pukapuka at lunch to read the books. We hope you see you using the word during the week.
Ka pai, on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 12 until 2.
But your ngā potaes are still required from 11. Kia ora. Where's your hat? Oh, I forgot mine as well.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
2 birthdays today. Happy birthday to Vincent in room 11. That's him. And Isabella in room 4. Have a great day.
All book club orders must be returned to school by Thursday morning. No late orders after Thursday so we can get hopefully the books back before the holidays.
And any students from 4 to 8 forgot to see Miss Crow yesterday about the music festival, please come see her at morning tea in room 11.
Reminder guys that it's bakery order day tomorrow. Make sure you remember to get your orders in.
Now if you miss any notices, you can read the news again or read all the textbooks below. And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news. Ka kite a pōpō.
Haere rā, and stay sharp, Winton School.